So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into the QuestDB, the fastest open source time series database that's taking the tech world by storm. So whether you are a developer, data engineer, or just love open source, this one is for you. So basically, first of all, let me talk about the QuestDB. So QuestDB is built for high performance time series data with benchmarks showing it's faster than InfluxDB and KDB+. So what really stands out? So basically, look at this. QuestDB doesn't build tech, they build relationship. So what does it mean? Basically, when you contribute meaningfully, basically you contribute to meaningful repositories and you can snag a beautiful swags like hoodie, t-shirts, stickers and exclusive charms to become a partner. So here basically what are the steps? Let me show you. So here basically, first of all, you need to enter your email. Second thing is that you need to start their repository. So how you have to start? You have to wait a second. Wait a second, let me show you. So here basically you have to open their repository and make sure you have a GitHub account previously. If you don't have, create it. So first of all, you need to start their repository. Here you have start the repository. Now the next step is that you have to submit a bug fix feature or any meaningful contribution via this one. So basically we'll open this one also. So what is bug fix means? As you all know that there are some bugs in particular products or any software, even a web page. For example, let me show you. Suppose in this website, if the page is not loading, basically the this what you can say scroller is not working, or suppose this URL is redirecting to some other pages or it has broken web pages, or you can just improve this design, like you can add one feature, like if the website does not support dark mode or light mode, you can just enable this feature. This is a sample example. They have basically, when you will click on this, you can see they have basically shared a list of issues and many more things. So let me show you once again. You have to just open this page, and from here, okay, it's opening that page only. So no need to worry about it. You have to just come back to the issues section, and here you can see here multiple issues are already open. So if you want to just fix this, you have to just click on it and just ask them. They have just shared what you have to do. These are the tasks which you have to do. Okay, so here you have to just request it by using at the rate of to this person who has added the label. You have to request it. Please assign this issue to me. Please assign this issue to me. So once the issue has been assigned to you, you can start working on it. Here multiple issues are already present here. So once you have completed these issues, we have to just do one thing, create a pull request and just do one thing. I will show you step by step what you have to do. You have to just create a pull request. First of all, you have to fork the repo and just create a fork because you'll be working on your files only. So basically here, once you have made any changes, you have to just click on contribute. Wait a second. You have to just open a PR and just merge the request. So let me show you here. This is the QuestDB. Okay. So you have to just contribute in any of these source, and then what you need to do once you have created the feature and you have done a pull request. I wanted to show you a sample. So let me show you one sample. So basically it's already created for. Now suppose you have to just create a test file. I am just creating a demo file to make you understand what we have to do. You must be aware of this because I cannot share the exact feature. So let me add temp. So this is just for demo purpose. I'm not saying that you do anything like this because here you have to make meaningful requests. Now click on open, contribute and click on open pull request. Now what you have to do, once you have clicked on open pull request, you have just create a pull request. So then they will be notified, and what you have to do, you can see once you have created a pull request. I'm showing a sample for those who have got their pull request set. So after that, you have to just, for example, this person has done this task. So just click on this URL and you have to just select this URL and share on the form. How you have to submit the form, no need to worry about it. I will show you. Once you have done all the bug fix and any meaningful feature, now what you need to do, you have to just click on this swag form. So wait a second, I think I should open this in new tab only. So when you'll click on this swag form, it is basically a Google form. Here basically you have to enter your email. Email can be anything. For example, I'm using this email. Now after that, you have to enter your GitHub ID. How you'll find the GitHub ID? Let me show you. Basically, you have to come back here, click on your profile, and basically this is your GitHub ID. You have to just select this as your GitHub ID, okay? And do not select your name, just select the GitHub ID. Once you have selected the GitHub ID, it will show like this. Now you have to select the URL of your valid contribution. So where you find the URL? You have created a pull request. You have to go to the pull request, and in case it's opened, you have to just click on it, or in case it is closed, I will show you, no need to worry about it. In case it's opened, you can just do one thing, you can just copy like this, just copy like this, okay? For closed also the process is simple. Just go to the pull request. I don't know why the internet is slow, so just go to the pull request and just click on it, okay? Click on your, you have to click on your pull request, okay? As you can see, the pull request has been recently approved. You have to just copy this URL and just come over here and just paste over here. Now the team will review it and then only you will be rewarded. Now you have to just share your track. So basically you have to select your size, whether it's XL, S, M or double XL, or if it is triple XL, then you can write it also. So I am selecting XL. Basically I'm showing you a demo, and one of the more important thing is that they will be shipping t-shirt every 4 to 6 weeks, because as they ship in bulk wise manner, because they are international teams, so they will be shipping a lot, like suppose 500 t-shirts per month, or like this only they will ship. Now once you have done, you have to click on next. So once you will click on next, you have to enter your name, last name, country, whether you are from India. This event is global, so you can, any country participant can take part. So basically here you have to enter shipping code. Basically for Indians, you have to add the correct details, full address, address 1, address 2, also add your parents name if you are a minor, and mobile number 2 along with the address, zip code, like for your pin code you can clear. So let me type a name. So once you have done this, you have to enter correct address. Now you have to click on I understand, confirm, yes, and just submit it. Once you have submitted, you need to make sure that here you have to make legitimate contribution. No chat GPT should be used or any AI module, because they will review it very carefully. So if you try to do this and cheat the system, you won't be eligible for the swags. So that is the main thing you need to understand about this event that I wanted to clarify. And that's all for today. I hope you are enjoying, and I am bringing more swags opportunities. And if you haven't watched one video, let me show you one challenge which is currently running in my channel too. Basically, here we have Salesforce challenge running on, where you can get hoodies and many more things. Another important challenge yesterday I posted, by doing some quizzes, basically in 30 to 10 minutes, depending on your speed, you can get a cool swags like this. So make sure to watch it. Also, here Salesforce challenges are also live. All videos are there. You can check it out. That's all for today. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.